Hi, thank you for watching my video. Before we jump in, I want to give some context. Today is May 14th, and this video was from last month. It was Tuesday, April 23rd. I blew up, and since I blew up, I haven't been trading. I have more work to do, but since then, it's been 3 weeks now, I've improved quite a lot and become much more consistent. So, I'm probably still going to spend more time practicing, and I still want to make videos. Maybe I can upload some demo trades or something like that. But yeah, I've learned a lot, and in some of my coming videos, you'll see how I've improved. I'm releasing another video today going over my guidelines where I address some of the way I'm viewing the market now. But a big part of improving is analyzing, looking at game tape. Just like Tom Brady and Bill Belichick, they've won the game before the snap because they've analyzed the defense so well. And in markets, your opponent is not only just the market, which is trying to extract money from you, but also yourself. And today, I was my own worst enemy, and I traded against the market. It was clearly saying go up, but I traded against it, and I took a revenge trade after I should have just stopped. And, well, that's why I'm on my break, and I'm learning to improve, and I'm going to come back stronger and better, and hopefully a profitable trader. So my layout also looks completely different now. I changed my whole look of my trading setup, so I can go over that in future videos. I guess structurally it still looks the same. I'm still looking at the time frames, but I changed the color of the candle bars. I changed the background. It's a psychology thing. I want my new trading to not be associated with my old trading. So I had to change the color of the candlesticks and make it less stimulating. So with all that being said, I look forward to diving in right now and analyzing my performance. And yeah, thank you. Alright, it is the first time I have made one of these videos in a while. I am so excited to be making another one. So, clearly the market, the bulls are in control, right? We're gapping up from consolidation. There is nothing we want to be doing now but thinking long. We want to be only going long here. It's obvious, yet when I was trading this, I did not understand that. I didn't understand that we only want to, I didn't understand just reducing the market down to its most simple components. Are the bears in control, or is someone else in control? Are the bulls in control? And right now you can see yesterday was a big uptrend day, so it was obvious we should have gone long near the open. And I try again. This is another really dumb mistake, guys. I regret that, I took this trade. It was a really dumb trade to make. Clearly, we're fighting who's in control and dominating the market. And it's very clear that this was going to be a breakout to the upside. We have a nested cup set up. So ideally we would have joined, right after the cup started going up, and placed the stop loss with the pivot below. So yeah, I didn't understand. I was just looking for the gap close play, but I didn't understand the context was not there. Okay, we're coming out of a downtrend. We're coming out of consolidation. It is time to go long. And yeah, it was a mistake to go short here, and even though it worked out, I wish I would have just taken profits right now. That would have been much better for me. But I learned this lesson 3 weeks after this, that you just want to focus on the big man and who's in control. Keep it really simple. So that's what I'm doing. I mean, I was looking. It looks. I was. Yes, sellers have been in control, but we really want to be long here because buyers have obviously stepped back in. So after this play, this is when the tilt really starts, where I really, like, I wish I would have just stopped here. Had I just stopped here, this day would have been a lot better. But unfortunately, I did not stop here, and we're gonna learn some big lessons, that's for sure. Or I have learned big lessons because of this. Yes, we're down big to start, way more than usual, way more than typical. And yeah, you can see the frustration there in my notes. And I shouldn't be looking at this dollar amount even really during the day. I'm down 353, but I should just not even focus on that right now. I should just close my laptop and walk away. You don't want to focus on that until the end of the day. So now I take my first tilt trade, and I get stopped. And I lose. Now I'm down way more than I should be. Like almost double what I should be stopped out at. I just lost 4 points on the ES. Again, going short. So now I feel like I'm intelligent. The one thing I do, I should just stop here, but the one good thing I do is I do walk away, and then I do eventually come back, and I take another long trade. Or sorry, I take another trade, but this time I actually take it long, supported by the market. And this is like what we have to do as traders, right? We have to find the big man and participate with them. That's all we want to do. That's all we want to do. Find the big man and participate. And I made another video today where I go over my guidelines. So definitely check out that video because that is going to be super helpful. And yeah, had I just gone long where I got stopped out, 20 points. 20 freaking points. It's insane. All right, so we're long on a pullback. That's actually a smart play. That's the first smart play. I mean, ideally, we should wait until buyers are stepping back in. We don't want to just buy randomly. So it's still not a good entry, but at least it's supported by the direction the big market makers are obviously pushing it. Now would be a good time to buy and just put the stop right underneath. Yeah, look at the 1 minute, look at the 5 minute, just put the stop right underneath there, buy in. It'll probably retest the top. It's a very high chance to retest the top. I probably should have put the take profit just at the top, not a couple points above it. But yeah. So stop loss to break even. This trade's basically free now. I still wish I probably wish I didn't do that just to keep it in. But like, say it comes back down, retests the bottom and goes back up, I would get stopped out and miss out on the move up. But then again, I'm on tilt. I'm not making very good decisions. So now I should just leave it. I sold out, I exited. Not wise to manage my trades while I'm in it. I should just let them run. But I made back what I lost, I think, from that. From my dumb trade. What does it say? I'm down 337. So I did make back. I should just close my computer now, right? Definitely shouldn't go short on a day like now when buyers are clearly in control. Oh, but I go short. Of course. Because I'm not rational and I don't know what I'm doing. And yeah, it's really dumb. I mean, here it kind of looks like, hey, we're kind of in a range. It'll probably go touch the bottom of the range. Maybe this is an okay idea. Still dumb. Still shouldn't do it, I don't think. But it's more supported. It's more based in reality because, you know, we've actually had some rejection, and whatever big man pushed it down, rejected it that first time, probably coming back to defend that level, push it down again a little bit more, right? So, I mean, we should just get out for like 2 points, take what we can get. Definitely should have stop loss be, or take profit. Definitely shouldn't be lower than the moving average if we're going for a counter trend scalp in what's been a very strong bull market. Like, you should take a 1 point profit and then get long. Like, yeah, like you should get long right at the moving average. Like here, that should have been take the profit, get the hell out. But I'm on tilt. I'm not rational. I can't make good decisions. And today could have been avoided if I just realized we're above the high of yesterday's candle. The only trade you should ever look for here is a long trade. And now that that's part of my strategy, I will not mess up. I don't think a day like this would happen, I hope. But, you know, my mind was corrected because of the generosity of Andrew. He super awesome trader and really helps me figure out how to look at markets differently, which I kind of talk about in my other video today on trading guidelines. But yeah, that's really it. I mean, you just have to keep it simple, and it's you know, we can't screw up. We can't make dumb trades like we made today, and you can't fight the big guys. You gotta stick with them. And yeah, I can't wait to start trading live again and recording and making videos and hopefully be profitable. I'm really optimistic. But yeah, guys, we're at the end of this video now, pretty much. Appreciate you watching. Appreciate your time. Let me know what you think. I think this is probably the best video I've ever made on trading, just from the concepts I've talked about. I think if I can really learn and integrate these concepts, that I'll become a very successful trader. And I got to keep making these reviews. I got to keep improving. But I really think, you know, what I talked about today is the golden ticket. So with that, thank you for your time and happy trading.